Welcome back with another video, and today we are going to attack the blue screen of death. Guys, don't get worried. There are many reasons why this can happen. It could be a hardware failure, it could be a software virus, bad hard drive, it could be so many different things. But what we're going to do today, we're just going to upgrade the hard drive because this computer only has 256 gigabytes of memory. So the customer already accumulate all that space, so we're just going to upgrade the hard drive to a 1 terabyte. So that's what we're doing right now. That's the old one, which is only 256 gigabytes of memory, and we're going to put that 1 terabyte in. So here we are doing that right now. Booting the computer up just to make sure it comes on. So we're putting back everything together. And what we're going to do next is to turn it on again just to make sure the hard drive is good, make sure the computer reads it. Alright, we're going to do a hard drive test, make sure everything is good. And that's the result, everything passed. So that new SSD stick that we put in, we know it's good. So now we're just going to start installing the operating system, Windows 10. That's what we're doing right now. And we also connecting the Cat 6 cable to the network, so we have internet. That way we could do all the updates that this computer needs. Alright, that's the new drive it's in. See how much space we have? So now the customer should be good. Don't have to worry about space anymore. Well, not for now. So we're just going to do the updates, do a Windows updates, get all the drivers in and everything, and this computer should be good to go. Guys, this computer is a touchscreen, and if you notice, I'm touching everything and it's not responding. That's because it's missing a driver. So once the update is done, we should be able to use the touchscreen. Everything should be working. So let's try that. Look at that, guys. Now the touchscreen is working. All the drivers are in. And we're just going to call a customer, tell them come get it. You already know. Guys, if you love what you're seeing, listen. Just subscribe to the channel. Follow the channel. Share it with your friends. Leave comments. I mean, let's talk, man. Let's have fun.